Hi all from Bees Designs. I want to do a quick video for all my crafting fellows out there. Sometimes when a client asks for me to make an outfit, they want like a 3D effect, possibly for an edging like around the shoulders or whatever. And sometimes it's quite difficult to get these things. So in this case, this is the lace that I have made, the corset top. It's for a communion dress, and it was to go around the top and off the shoulder, but we wanted some like 3D effect decoration going around it. Now the client made it clear that it wasn't to be anything different, but had to be crystally and beady, exactly like the fabric on the top. So a while back I discovered that I cut some pieces from the fabric itself, some shapes, and just with the help of my glue gun, I put a little drop of glue there in the center, flip it over. It's good to use a metal tray, just be careful with the fingers, it gets quite hot. Give it a squish into the center, just to raise the flowers. Very tiny little flower pattern here, but it's perfect for what we need it for. So a little bit of glue roughly around the center and squish our little flowers in together, and you need to hold them for a few seconds just to let that set a little bit. Like I said, it can be hot on the fingertips and you'll lose your nail polish. The reason I've said metal is when it's dried, they literally just pick off, and we've got a nice flat surface for when we're putting it onto the garment. What we were after was a raised pattern to give a 3D kind of look, and some little bits just to fall off the edge. So with that in mind, I made quite a few. So the finished item that I put my little 3D flowers on is a little corset type top for communion, and off the shoulder, as you can see, coming around, and we used all our little 3D flowers, and we've got some little ends, etc. coming out. All the beadwork is all exactly the same pattern as the whole top itself. I hope this can help somebody who's maybe like myself, sometimes struggles to find the right item that we need to finish what we're making.